Alrighty, boys, we are in Jenny's TJ. So this thing, I rebuilt the transmission and just been getting this thing dialed in for her so we can go ripping in this thing like we used to. Let's see if this thing turns on. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go, buddy. Oh, it's like misfiring. It's all good. I got a new bumper for her, so I'm gonna fit her on and then gotta get it painted. So stay tuned. So here she is. I already removed the bumper and the hitch that came with this Jeep. I just love the look without the bumper. But man, this thing is pretty dialed in. I rebuilt the transmission, fixed all the leaks. I fixed the AC. This thing is running really good. But look what I got. Got a new bumper for her. And this is actually, I'll show you now. Let's see. Little Barnes 4-wheel drive, buddy. This is like a flush bumper, so it pretty much just goes at the end right there. Has the two little D-rings, but this thing is raw, so I'm gonna go ahead, put it on. Then I gotta make these holes in the middle. And that's it, put her on. So she'll be ready to tow whatever is stuck. Alrighty, here's the bumper in the TJ already. Had to mess around with it a little bit because the bumper or the frame support on the frame was a little bent over here, so I had to make some adjustments. I just put it on now, put all the bolts. I'm gonna drill these two over here in the middle, get it all squared, make it all look good, and then send it off to paint powder. Alrighty, boys, we finally got the bumper back from powder, and look at this thing. Man, this thing looks so good. Nice and shiny, boy. Ready to pull people out. Alrighty, here she is. Got the bumper installed. Look at that bad boy. This thing looks like the best piece in this Jeep. This thing is ready for the trails now. Got some hook points in the back to pull people out. We'll get winched out. The front is going to be next. Got a bumper coming for it. But she's looking good, running good. Tranny's good. AC's nice and cold. So we'll see. We'll see what's next for it. Maybe a couple more stuff, maybe fix the radio and stuff like that. But she is ready for the trails, man. Can't wait to take her out. Jenny will be driving this one, so it'll be sweet. Like I said, just a little short video of showing the Jeep and some of the stuff we've done to it. She's ready. Like I said, she's ready for the trails now. So got the 35s on. This is actually stock suspension. It just has a 2-inch puck and like a 1-inch body lift. So it's like a 3-inch lift essentially with 35s. Stock gears. This is a 4.06 cylinder with the what transmission is it? I forgot which one it is. But I got that rebuilt a while back, but here she is. We're ready for the trails. Haven't been out there, so I'm ready to ride. Jenny's gonna ride this one. I'll ride the Defender. At least she has her own vehicle to ride, just like the good old days. And yeah, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you till next time.